Hey everybody, this is Mr. Roche. We're working with Java, and we're working on the Penta game, but just as something else to do and to take a break, and we're gonna actually work on the move generator ahead of time anyway. What I'd like you to do is sign up for an account for this, and we'll see what we can do with this. Okay. So what I'd like you to do is just sign in with Google with your St. Mark's account. It's pretty easy. I don't want to splash all sorts of permissions and stuff all over the internet. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I will be back with you in a second. Okay. But all you do is push this button, I think, and then you pick your user account, and you you sign up, and then like you can send me the information so I can understand who you are and stuff like that. Okay, and we'll create like the free account. It seemed to work pretty good. I was using it with another class, and I think we could do it here too. So let's try that. Okay, so I'm going to sign in, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, but you hit this button, the red button. Okay, right there. Okay, so this is me. You guys have an account and a profile. It would help me out a lot if you put in a picture. You can just click on this picture and stick in like your happy avatar here. I don't know, I'm screwing up my avatar. I just want to get out of this. Yep, so that's good. Okay, and then we're going to go to challenges. Okay, and what I want to do is I want you to go to Java. Okay, and I want you to go to, I don't know, let's try easy right now. Okay. Actually, go to very easy for a second, and just, you got to look at how editable works. So let's all do this one together. And basically what happens is you have a challenge which is put forth here. Um, and in this particular case, they're going to give you some code, like a static method that's supposed to return some Boolean, right? And so what you do is you just finish the code for them, basically, and you run it and test it. So to do that, they want return true, which we can do. So we're going to go here. And so what happens is they do classes like that, which looks like our stuff, which is fine. And they have a static Boolean which says return true. And we'll say return true. Okay. Wow. And then we're going to check it. And what's going to happen is it's checking. Hopefully it's going to work. Yes. Okay, so we passed it. And then what you do is you actually submit your answer, which is cool. And then what happens is when you submit it, I think it gives you some points. So there we go. So I got that challenge. That was very easy. That's cool. You can you can click for next chances, but we'll kind of move on, okay? So, and we'll see how we could do this, okay? Let me see. So, let's go back to challenges here. And we've already done this one, right? And see, that's the thing. See, if I go to my profile now, it'll give me this, and that's why I got the points for it and stuff like that, right? Okay, and so by doing that, we can check out, see how far we do it and stuff like that. Let's go to easy, okay, for first. I think we can handle that. Okay, and then we want to do Java easy, and then let's see. Let's good here. Okay, let's try this. Okay, you can try find the number of digits a number has. Okay, something like that. Okay, so here we'll keep track of this one. Okay, and what's going to happen is it's going to do this, and you have to kind of figure out how to solve that problem. Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to come in here. You're going to get a number. You're going to have to code it. Okay, and then you're going to submit it, and then you get the final answer, which looks good. Okay, so we'll do that challenge, and then we'll do. Let me see. We could try this. We could try cumulative array sum. Okay. and see if we can get this done. Okay, so that would be good. And we will do these two and see where we are. Okay, and see how many points you get. Okay, so thanks, and we'll talk to you later. Okay, so do those two, and that would be great. Okay. Hey, here it is. I got 25 XP points. That seems pretty exciting. And what I have is I've got the array collective sum. I got how Edababit works, and I found the total digits a number has. It took me a little while, but I did it. We're working in the easy part. We'll talk on in class, because if it's too hard, then we can go into the very easy part, I guess. Or you can go like higher, which is great. So I feel like this is a good place to go. And if you're having you want some challenges, that's great. Okay, and it'll help you brush up your code. So do this. What I want to see is this page from you, completed, and I want to see how many XP points you got. Okay, so that's great. So what I want to see is a screenshot that basically looks like this for now. I want to see that you're signed on. I want you guys, everybody does their own work and figures this out. Like, don't share answers. And we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.